You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases. For more Latin expressions and more pronunciations, including from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned. Meaning the image of God in Latin. Latin pronunciation: Imago Dei. Imago Dei. Imago Dei. How do you say it in English? It's generally pronounced in English as Imago Dei. Imago Dei or Imago Dei. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.